Back corner. What do they have?
You could take some of home. Caesar, your new favorite drink. Lime. Blinded by. Yeah.
Not bad, how are you?
Great.
Got everything you need?
I think so.
Street down. Deal.
Debit or credit?
Credit. You
Yeah, I know you do. It's extra clean now.
Yeah.
I just need the card.
Sure.
Go on.
Huh? Liquor mart. Party time.
Party. Oh, that hurt.
And this is St. Hubert.
Key cheese?
Local Manitobian cheese.
Okay.
Tell me about those curds.
So we're gonna do the ultimate Canadian experience here. Poutine. It started in Montreal, Canada, and it's become widespread across Canada. And it is like basically, if you come to Canada, it's synonymous with Canada. So we're gonna make some homemade poutine, and this is the key ingredient. This is actually local to Manitoba, Bothwell cheese. This is unbelievable. It's won awards for their, I guess, dairy farm.
For
and their
outstanding cheese?
Yeah, for outstanding cheese. So this is basically poutine, for people that may not know, is fries, gravy, and cheese curds. Curds are really the key to the poutine. So basically the gravy is so hot that it like gets the cheese all melty, and then it just like stringy on the fries, and it's just like an explosion of flavor, and it is like basically you just have to try it to understand what I'm talking about.
Love it. Rolf, say so hot.
So hot.
H-O-T-T. Excited to get that poutine in me.
I knew he was gonna say that.
That's what I'm always saying.
I rolled my eyes before. Like, I can't wait till you watch that because I rolled my eyes before you said it.
Perfect.
So predictable.
That's my routine.
Come for the poutine.
If you know what I mean. That should be Canada's slogan.
Like a mini skirt.
Squeak the cheese. Honestly, you guys, the best thing to do.
Somewhere.
You're such a donkey. Have you ever used it?
Oh,
Who's a dog?
you can't hear it, but it's in my head.
It's like a mouse.
Like a lot of things that happen in my life.
You wanted to fuck.
So
They
squeaky.
squeak a lot.
They squeak a lot.
Mmm.
I used to
It feels weird.
Those are good. Are they white cheddar?
I'll take you to the
They are.
Yeah.
It's kind of like they're not food though. Like, it's a weird.
Cheese snack.
At least it's cheese.
Yeah, it's good.
It tastes good, but it's weird.
I'm excited to have that on fries. Mmm, delicious.
I love cheese.
Delicious.
And he's just working. He's working. He's
That is
so
weird.
intense on it. I'm just like trying to even.
It's fun. Like you can really hear it. Can I have this one?
Yeah. It sounds fake.
Yeah.
I'm listening.
I'm trying to make it as loud as possible.
I can
but
hear it. I can
all
hear
it sounds like is I'm chewing.
No, it sounds like you're crushing a mouse.
With my mouth. Over there.
I would actually love to see roll in the corner.
That TV magic's still gonna work.
told you. I don't do porn. I told you.
All night
I told you guys. Now we'll get ridiculed because these
This is
are
food porn.
these are not deep fried, so we're gonna get ridiculed.
So good.
You needed, see, you guys, okay, I'll wait.
Extreme close-up.
This is awesome, Rolf.
This is makes for good TV.
This is
Yeah, I know.
And you run it.
Oh,
Amateur.
first timer.
Nervous.
Yeah.
I don't have to speak in German.
Only if you want to. I like it.
This is turning.
Just a little bit of cheese.
Emeril, not Admiral. Admiral.
Every cheese has to be covered with love.
Always covered my cheese with love.
It's a Canadian thing. You didn't know you were part Canadian, did you?
I didn't until I got here. I feel sorry.
Okay, there you go.
Rob, thank you. You're a great chef.
We don't know yet.
Well,
And that's the poutine.
That's the poutine. Bam!
Show me your poutine.
Oh,
say something. Say something. Hold it up. Say something.
I can't say anything.
And he's single, ladies.
There we go.
We want to give a big thank you to Rolf, Jeff, and Aaron because they've been hosting us not only in their homes but on their boats and treating us to delicious home-cooked meals. We love them and our Canadian experience would be crap without them. We love you guys. Thank you.
Love you guys. Thanks.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, what happened there?
A fake drink.
Cheers
Thanks,
to protein. Thank you, Rolf.
And Canada. Thanks, Rolf.
To the chef.
Cheers.
I was just showing off my teeth.
You were.
That's all we can see.
Should we try some?
We
Yeah,
just
let's
like
try some.
dig in, dig
Yeah,
in.
dig in. So good.
Jeff's like a driver.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's the
That's
boat
the
life.
boat.
Thanks for watching.
See you next time.
I love it.
If you're jealous, invite us on your boat. Yeah, that's right. Dude, that's hot poutine.
Oh yeah.
Should we hold
H-O-T-T.
our drinks or no?
H-O-T-T.
Should we cheers and then that'll be the cutest
Okay, what do you
thing?
say? That's
So
Yeah.
what if we cheers?
that's life on the boat?
No.
That's the boat.
Wow.
See, I got nervous.
That's the boat life.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Okay.
You got it?